Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you Dola AI Calendar Assistant Scheduling app. So you might be wondering, what is Dola AI here? So Dola is an AI calendar assistant that works through existing messaging apps, WhatsApp, Telegram, iMessage, and Line, rather than requiring a separate app download. Now, it uses a natural language parsing to turn plain conversational messages, so voice notes or images, into calendar events, syncing with Google Calendar, Apple Calendar, and CalDAV. Now, CalDAV here. Now, it's aimed at both individuals managing personal schedules and group use for coordinating plans with others. Now, features include adding, editing, canceling, and searching calendar events through everyday chat messages, like, for example, texting dentist appointments on next Wednesday at 2 p.m., parsing voice messages or photos containing event details, remembering previous conversation context so events can be edited without retyping full details, adding multiple events in a single message, daily summary reminders of upcoming events with adjustable frequency, and group chat integration. So currently supported on Telegram and Line as of this moment, where the assistant can be tagged to add or manage shared events. Now, it also offers basic weather forecast and web search directly within the chat interface. Now, how do you exactly use this? Well, in this case, you just need to connect Dola as a contact within the supported messaging app here, so either WhatsApp, Telegram, iMessage, or Line, and follow the setup instructions on the official site. Then link a Google Calendar, Apple Calendar, or CalDAV here account for two-way syncing. Now from there, send a message describing what to schedule in plain language, and Dola creates or updates the corresponding calendar event, sending reminders back through the same chat. Now, on the pricing side here, Dola operates on a freemium model. Now, a free tier allows limited number of AI interactions per month, commonly cited around like 50, with a pro plan roughly at around $9.99 a month, unlocking unlimited scheduling, calendar sync across multiple accounts, and additional reminder features. So some documentations here note that calendar sync functionality specifically has moved towards requiring a paid tier as the product has developed past its original free beta. But that's about it. So if you found this video, feel free to like and subscribe button and watch our next video.